Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best tow recovery straps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tow recovery straps. Starting at number 5, we have the Rocket Straps 3 inches by 30 feet Extreme Heavy Duty Tow Strap. Rocket Straps has created a brand for itself in the tow recovery straps industry. As a result, this is actually a worthy option should you be looking for high-quality recovery straps. With a capacity of 30,000 pounds, it will become easier for you to pull out the SUVs as well as trucks. You can even pull out the pickup trucks with the help of this strap quite easily. With the length of 30 feet, you will have no problem at all in accessing the vehicles. The recovery strap is made from polyester material. As a result, you can be sure that it is actually long-lasting in nature. This ensures that you are able to pull the vehicle quite easily. As it comes along with the storage bag, carrying it along with you is pretty easy. With reinforced loops, you can be sure that on the ends, the wear and tear will be on the lower side. You will have to buy D-shackles separately. Moving on at number 4, we have the Motermic Complete Set Tow Strap. You can either buy the complete set of this tow strap or you can just buy the tow strap. The choice is entirely up to you. The length of the recovery strap is 30 feet. In addition to that, the breaking point is set at 30,000 pounds. As a result, you can be sure that you will be able to use it for the heavier vehicles as well. It is entirely weather resistant. In addition to that, the connection points can bear quite a bit of load quite easily. This is the reason why it is one of the best options when you're looking for tow recovery straps. There are also shackles on both the sides which ensure that you are able to attach it quite easily. The packaging of the entire kit could have been better. At number 3, we have the Alltop Tow Strap Recovery Kit. If you're looking for recovery straps with even a higher capacity, this recovery strap is perfect for you. With a capacity of 32,000 pounds, you can be sure that you will be able to pull heavy trucks as well as SUVs quite easily. Also, 2D ring shackles are included along with the strap. This ensures that you do not have to worry about buying any other equipment in order to use the recovery strap. It is pretty easy to connect. Whenever you want to take it somewhere along with you, you can use the carry bag which is provided along with it. Also, when not in use you can easily store it in the carry bag which comes along. As a result, they can last for a long period of time without any issues. The shackles, even though adequate, could have been of better quality. At number 2, we have the Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap. Rhino Straps is a brand in itself whenever you are searching for tow recovery straps. It comes along with the string bag which ensures that you are able to store it quite easily. The capacity is 31,518 pounds. As a result, pulling along the heavy vehicles is not a problem. With the length of 20 feet, you will be able to pull along the vehicles quite easily. As it is a brand in itself, you can be sure that the wear and tear is pretty limited and it can last for a long period of time quite easily. You will have to buy the D-shackles by yourself as those are not included. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunferno Ultimate Tow Recovery Strap. If you're looking for recovery strap of different length, this 20 feet recovery strap is the perfect option for you. It is entirely water resistant. The load carrying capacity is massive. It can handle loads of up to 35,000 pounds. As a result, you will not have to worry about the load of the vehicle at all whenever you're towing your vehicle. Moreover, it looks stylish in its skin color and also comes along with a carrying bag. As a result, you will not have to worry about the storage as well. It is highly versatile. You can even use it for stump removal and other such uses. Thus, with the help of a single recovery strap, you can accomplish the functions which are related to automobiles as well as tree removal. It is highly durable, which an added advantage. The only downside is that the hooks need to be bought separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.